How to fix Marvel Rivals not launching and not working. Really easy and simple. First things first, go to Steam, go to your library, and then right click on Marvel Rivals, click on Properties, and now here what you want to do is come and click on Installed Files, and right here you'll see this option, the third option, to verify integrity of the game files. Just go ahead and click on this, and what this does, it goes ahead and make sure that all the games files are installed correctly. Everything is in the correct place. There's no file missing and there's no file corrupted. Okay, go ahead and do that first. That should usually fix the issue. If that does not fix the issue, what you can do is right click on Steam and run that as an administrator. Okay, that usually fixes the issue of Marvel Rivals not launching, because you're running it as an administrator, giving it more resources to Steam and the games you run through it, and it gives it more priority in the processing in RAM. Okay, now what you want to do is right click on Start and then go to your task manager. We're basically going to be shutting down any process that is consuming a lot of CPU and a lot of RAM that we're not actually using. For example, let's say Discord. You want to close Discord, click on End Task. You want to end any task that you're not currently using that is consuming a lot of your resources. And last but not least, guys, what you can do is right click on your Windows icon right here, click on Run, then just type in sysdm.cpl. Go ahead and press OK. So what I'm going to show you now is how we can increase our virtual RAM, okay? Now under System Properties, you want to come here, click on Advanced, and you'll see this option right here that says Performance. Click on Settings. Right here you see Virtual Memory, right? So click on Advanced. Now here, under Virtual Memory, click on Change. So what you are doing here is you're allocating some of your storage as a virtual RAM for more processing power. Okay, so you want to set your RAM to about 1.5 times your actual RAM on your PC, or up to 3 times your RAM. That should be the maximum. So if you have a 4 GB RAM PC, set your RAM to a minimum of 6 GB and a maximum of 12 GB. Press OK, and one of these fixes should go ahead and solve your problem. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.